Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. You know, many black women out there love this beautiful pixie cut because you can see them, they can show off their features, and I found these beautiful short hair cuts that are lovely and especially great look for those who really don't want to go too short or edgy. For you to style this cut is that kind of haircut that you really need to use one brush while blow drying your hair, and you can add some texturizing spray to create those volume and texture. One thing with this style is that it will give you that polished yet effortless look, perfect for work or for even any occasion. This haircut, you can see, is that kind of hairstyle that will really make you not to be afraid, you know, to rock short hairstyles, because it will always make you look sophisticated. I also love the style. Some may be intimidated by the thought of a pixie cut, but with this hairstyle you can see how it can be incredibly flattering, like with the right styling and maintenance. So when communicating your desired look to your hair professional, please don't be scared to always aim for this kind of cut, because for you to achieve this cut you should always ask for that kind of precision cut that will always show off your facial features while also maintaining the length and the back. And don't forget to use light products such as the mousse or creams to always add definition without weighing down your hair. This is another classy beautiful haircut that will take your hair to the next level. Always make sure the two sides are lower and the top are longer, because with this unique style it will always make your cut look flattering and it will add something special to the mix, because you can see how this haircut, it really makes this woman look so beautiful, and it took many years of her age. I love the style. You can see how it really accentuates the face, and it's that kind of hairstyle that's easy to care for daily and provide those various styling opportunity. So with this in mind, let me just let you guys so please support the styles we have. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and still also wearing the styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way.